What's up, everybody? Merricks Garage, new video, lots of cool stuff coming down. Oh, where to begin? Square bodies, diesels, links, frames, cutting torches, tools, welding, road trips. It has been a crazy couple weeks, but I think you guys are gonna dig what I have been up to. I'm adding to the fleet. I bought another square body. Well, a couple of new square bodies. Some are more complete than others, but we're gonna get into that. Anyway, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Stay tuned to the end. I'll circle back and tell you what's going on here, and I got a bunch of questions and favors to ask of you guys. I'm looking for input into this new project. I want your guys' input, and I'll tell you why in a bit. But go check out the rest of the video. Go on. I'll be here. Just go check it out. Yeah, I'm not jealous at all. Are you kidding me right now? Let's go find where this dude is. What's up?
How's it going?
Nice to meet you, man. So here it is. I'm pretty fired up about this. Come check out this awesome interior. I mean, it's bright red, but it does not get any cleaner than this. I mean, look at the dash. Look at this. That white is mint. And watch this. Watch this door open. Look. You guys are probably laughing at me right now, but my doors haven't shut like that in probably 10 years. So. Awesome. I haven't seen one like this in so long because mine's been hacked apart since like 96. Like I remember when I had like the cruise control vacuum and all that. That's gone. Have you seen these? Those are pretty cool. I can't tell if that's awesome or ridiculous. Or awesomely ridiculous. Dude, do it again. Do it again. That's an angry small block. Holy. So while I was down there checking out the Suburban that I'm going to be picking up in a few weeks here, I also picked up this 1973 K5 Blazer frame. Pre-smog, clean frame. I figured I was going to use this on my Lynx conversion, and I was super stoked on how clean and straight it was. Did I mention it's pre-smog? It's never easy. It's never easy. This is the behind the scenes stuff that people don't realize goes on when you build something like this. There's just a lot of details that you got to take care of. And I don't care if you're not in California. I mean, California, yeah, we've got it a lot tougher than a lot of other states, but there's still finding stuff, hauling stuff, fixing stuff. I mean, I spent 8 hours driving yesterday to bring this home just so I could show it to the CHP so they can verify that it actually is a legitimate frame. Now it's time to put it in my garage. It's going to be interesting. This is going to be ridiculously stupid, but I don't really see what option I have. Being a one-man operation has its challenges, and moving big, heavy stuff is usually my forte. But I really messed it up today and could have got seriously hurt. So let this be a warning. Don't be like me. Don't be stupid. This thing could have taken out my knees or my feet. Luckily, it just ripped my shorts. Yeah, that was incredibly stupid. But it worked! Kind of. Let's drag this big thing in here now. Did you guys dig that? Did you like that as much as I did? Because I am fired up. Where to begin? Oh man, I have been looking for a square body Suburban for a long time. And I actually found this one a long time ago. I just started kicking around some ideas of what I'd like to do next. I was really interested in getting a K30, like a Cuckfee, and building that up. But then I realized that's just not practical for my family. It's not fair to them, and so yeah, I switched my sights to start looking for a diesel Suburban. Diesel because, you know, why not? I kind of want to mess around with a diesel. I want to put some fire breather in there that's just gonna freaking just tow the trailer wherever I want it to go. I also want something that's gonna have lots of room and creature comforts for my family. They have long suffered road trips in the Blazer, and it's time. The kids are getting older, they're getting a little bit bigger, they need a little bit more space. So my big plan is turn this Suburban into a massively capable tow rig. I'm thinking tons, keep it leaf sprung, diesel, clean up the interior, meaning AC and, you know, stuff like that, and then have at it. But what I want from you guys, I got a couple things I want. I know, I'm so demanding today. Let me know what you think, what you want to see. This is my idea. Like I just said, I'm thinking 37-inch tires, 1 tons front and rear, diesel, whether that's going to be a common rail Cummins or whether it's going to be a Duramax or whatever. And then what else? Leaf sprung, probably going with some ORD custom springs, keep it leaf sprung. And then basic bulletproofing that, you know, I just think every vehicle needs if it's going to be reliable, long lasting, and heavy duty. It's going to be expensive, I'm not going to lie, and it's going to take a long time because I'm just going to have to slowly build this as funds allow. But that's where you guys come in. I'm not looking for money, don't worry, that's not my gig here, but I do have a couple of ways to drive revenue. My Amazon store produces a little bit of money here and there for me when you guys buy stuff through it. I put a lot of the cool things I find, whether they're metalworking tools or really cool electronics or parts for the builds or just tools in general or headers for the truck that work with an LS swap, things like that. I just throw in the store down below. Go take a look at that store. The thing with Amazon is they have a really cool partner program for guys like me that if you buy something in the store within 24 hours after looking anywhere in Amazon, they pay me because they consider that I brought you to there, which is fantastic. It's not a ton of money, but every little bit helps. I got a frame behind me. This is a 73 frame. And if you guys remember, I have bent my frame. And I just started kicking around ideas like, do I really want to throw all the reinforcements and brackets and links on the old frame? Or do I want to just start over? And starting over looks very, very attractive when it's like this in my garage. So I've cut off half of the frame. I'm gonna be boxing this, strengthening it, welding on the towers, welding on all the bracketry, running all the plumbing, putting in a new gas tank, all kinds of really cool stuff that I think is gonna be a lot easier to do with the truck in this position than it's gonna be trying to do it underneath the truck. Also, it's a massive project, especially at the front. That was a massive undertaking that took months. Took a lot of time, a lot of planning, a lot of forethought, a lot of execution. By being able to put this in the garage and still keep the Blazer moving until I actually do the big swap in and out, it's gonna free up some time for me. So yeah, I think it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna start cutting off the brackets that I don't need, taking measurements, mocking stuff up, tacking things in place, and basically building this frame just to be freaking bomb-proof. Whew. I'm tired. This has been a hectic week, but it's been awesome. I love these trucks. I'm so fired up that I get to save a few, and I get even more fired up when you guys show me pictures of what you've done, and I see more and more people fall in love with these square bodies. I'm not too excited about the price. Some of these square body prices are getting out of control. I paid $7,000 for mine in 1994. I worked as a bike mechanic, I saved up a ton of money, and I bought my truck for $7,000. And it had like 70,000 miles on it. It was pretty mint. And I'm seeing dudes asking like $15K for an 84 with 200,000 miles on it. It's insane. But hey, where there's a market, it's going to determine the price, and people are starting to realize how awesome these trucks are. So I got to keep collecting as many as I can before they're all gone. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I hope I can't get it out today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in and checking out this latest video. I hope you guys are psyched on this as I am. I love the feedback. I love interacting with you guys, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. But hit me up. You guys have my information. Let's talk. Merricks Garage, thanks. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.